Hello young guys, good evening. You are welcome in this biology classes organized by Society of Career Technology. We were discussing about science behind science. 2 episodes we have already discussed, today is the 3rd episode. In our classes, we are described about scientific facts just mechanically like the facts of history and geography. And the original experiment conducted which gave birth to those findings is not discussed. In this series of episodes, we are discussing about the experimental facts behind those scientific facts. And today we will talk about discovery of first hormone secretin by Bayliss and Starling in 1902. Bayliss and Starling conducted some very interesting experiments with a dog. Earlier the notion was that when food reaches into the stomach, then and then only gastric juice is secreted. But they objected on this hypothesis. He thought that let us see. So he performed a very beautiful surgical operation. The esophagus of that dog was cut before stomach and it was connected with the neck portion. So whatever food was given that used to go out, it was not reaching into the stomach. In the cavity of his stomach, a catheter was placed. It was tied with a test tube. So whatever secretion was secreted in his stomach, that was collected in that test tube and that could be analyzed. So in first experiment, when they cut the connection between esophagus and stomach and fed the dog, the food came out. Even then, gastric juice was secreted in the stomach. What does it mean? It means that reaching of food into stomach is not essential for secretion of gastric juice. However, this message is being conveyed either through the nerve fiber or either through the blood vessels. So in the second experiment, they cut the branch of the vagus nerve supplying to the stomach. They fed the dog, even then gastric juice was secreted. It means nerve supply was not taking part in this message conveying. In the third experiment, they just cut this blood vessel, again fed it. This time, gastric juice was not secreted. What does it mean? It means that the message that food is just coming after some time into this stomach was conveyed by the blood supply. And this gave the concept of endocrinology, that some of the messages in our body are carried through blood vessels also, like the nerve fibers. In the third experiment, what did they do? They just cut the connection in between the stomach and duodenum. So whatever food was given that reached into stomach, and from the stomach it came out. In the duodenum, a catheter was placed tied with a test tube. And again the food was given, pancreatic juice was secreted and collected in the test tube. When Bayliss and Starling cut the blood supply and again fed the dog, this time no pancreatic juice came out. It means that the message for pancreatic juice secretion was carried through the blood. And this way, Bayliss and Starling discovered the first hormone secretin, which was responsible for stimulation of pancreatic juice secretion. So, Society of Career Technology wants to help you people to make your studies interesting, and so that you get it enjoyed. So enjoy your studies. Thank you very much.